Hello, my name is Dr. Aderemi Banjoko. I qualified as a medical doctor in the University of Lagos in 1991 and then moved to the UK in 1993 to practice medicine. But while I was practicing medicine, I got heavily involved in the real estate market and also eventually into the financial markets because I had such a huge entrepreneurial spirit right from university. But while I was heavily into real estate and the financial markets, I started to make a lot of mistakes. I was losing a lot of money. And then the best decision I made then was to learn from people who were actually successful in the real estate market and the financial market. So I went over to the US to learn from these guys to mentor me on how to be successful in business, real estate, and the financial market.